Okay, lots of orders at 7 here. Are we gonna go? 710. We've been watching 710 forever.
Order filled.
Got in there.
Order filled.
In there.
Order filled.
Nah, out. Didn't like it. Needs to go right away. Should have hit high day instantly over 710. What's up, everybody? That clip that you just saw was the level 2 scalping that I've used to make most of the money that I've made in the markets in the past year and a half. I've actually made over 400% gains year to date using that scalping strategy, and I got a comment in the last video to break down what was actually happening as I was doing the level 2 scalping, because it all happens very fast, and I get that, and I've taken so many trades over the days, over the years, that it just comes second nature to me. So what we're gonna do in this video is take a look at the clip that you just saw, as well as a couple others, including some losers, and we're gonna explain to you what's really happening. So stick with us. So first thing I want you to see is that PPSI had been very strong all morning, including pre-market, and then you can actually see at the open here, it squeezed up into a halt and then opened higher. So this stock has been extremely strong, and that's one thing that we definitely want to see when we're doing this level 2 scalping, because we want to see lots of buyers, lots of buyer interest, FOMO, all that good stuff to drive prices higher. So the first thing that we're looking for in this case is a pullback. And what we do see as we're reading the level 2, and I'm circling it with my mouse over here. This is called the price ladder. And I'm just looking for a big order on the price ladder where we can find support. So we're starting to sell off here, and you can see, I'm going to pause the video, you can see this big order that's sitting at 675. So one strategy that you could use is look for these big orders and buy in front of them, and if they start to break, you can just sell. So likely the first time that we come into a big order, we should see just a little bit of a bounce, at least. So, but I know that this stock has been very strong, so I'm using this big order as an idea that this is going to be a level that's going to be important and propel us to the next destination. Okay, so given that we know we have this big order sitting at 675, I want to watch with you guys what happens at that level. So I'm going to play the video. You'll see that we get that initial bounce off of 675. And let's watch as we come back and retest it. So we tested it there. We're starting, you see the red over there, we're starting to hit that 675. We bounce again. We're starting to hit it again. Sellers are really wanting to break through. Boom, we break through, and immediately we rebid 675. So now, in my head, I'm thinking 675 might have been the low. So let's watch what happens here as we head back up towards $7. Okay, so the stock's looking really strong. We have that $7 level coming up. Big whole number, boom, we break through. Okay, so now let's look at the orders that I created as we made this move higher. So we break through 7 there. We make it up to like 710-ish. There's a big order sitting at 710. You can see it right there, 500 shares. It's actually multiplied by 100, so it's 50,000. And we come back down and we test this $7 level. And now I'm waiting for continuation. So I know that the stock is strong. I'm looking for continuation. I'm looking for green over here. So let's see if we get it. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, so I see green coming in here. I see some orders stacked up right below 7 here. And I'm looking for basically to go higher. I wanna see 702, 704. Okay, so we got the buyers. They're hitting the bid up here at 704. So now I think I put in an order pretty soon here. Okay, so I was a little bit late. I got it in at 702, and remember, this is super slowed down. If you want to see the full clip, you can go back to the beginning of the video, and then let's see what happens here. So now I'm waiting, I'm looking to see red. I see red, I hit the sell button, and I don't think I got out until 708. I think I hit the ask, yeah. Okay, so now we're getting that continuation. Now I'm looking for the high of day break. So we break 710. Now I'm looking to buy over 710. I think I hit there it is. I see that big order at 715, and we didn't immediately break high a day. So what I'm looking for is an immediate break of high a day. This line designates high a day, and I didn't see that move up. So you can see how quickly I got back out on the bid. As soon as we didn't break, boom, I hit the sell. So you can see that that was basically 1 second I was in and out. All right, one more clip for you guys. In this clip, this actually happened before the prior trades, but this is a great example of how you can ride the momentum when the stock has it. So in this case, it had just halted up. It had a little pullback, rocketed up. This isn't a clear topping sign here, so we didn't get an extreme sell-off from that level, and now it's been balancing in this level. So what I'm looking for here is a move back to high a day, and basically any strength I'm gonna scalp because there's lots of buyers that are coming into the market. So let's take a look. Let's play this video, and you can see what I'm talking about. Again, we're looking for green over here. Any green over here, basically, and I'm gonna buy. So let's watch. We see 50 up here. We see a bunch of green. I'm gonna buy into that probably. We get that move up, green over here. Boom, so we're in at 276. We're still in, and we didn't see any red over here, so this was probably, this is just a mistake. You know, I should wait for red before I start selling, but in this case, I was just trying to go in, out, over and over again. So that was a nice 4-cent gain. Again, now I'm just waiting for green over here. Do we see green come in on the level 2? There it is. Do I get in here? I do. 683, get another move up. And it looks like we hit 685 and fail, so I got out there. It looks like I got out break even, thankfully, but I would have taken a loss on that because we didn't get that move that I was looking for right after I bought. So 685 is the next level. So let's see if we can get some green into 685. Just waiting, being patient. There's green. Let's see if I buy here. Boom, so we're in a little bit early at 683, but I saw the green, the momentum, and boom, we break through. And where do I get out here? I think I was waiting, trying to ride the momentum a little bit longer there. I ended up getting 3 cents on that, but I think I was trying to wait for a break up to $7, which it just took a little too long to do. I think it ended up making it there. There was more green there, so I bought back in looking for this 290 break. Boom, we get the 290 break. I think I partialed out into that, yep, at 693. So there you go. There's 4 orders back to back, and this is slowed down, I think, 80%. So you can imagine how fast this is. But when a stock has the momentum, you understand how powerful those buyers are. Every time you see green over here, it's just a signal to buy, and then you just scalp it for a couple pennies over and over again. If it doesn't do what you're looking for immediately, you get out. That's how it works. All right, guys, and psych, there's one more clip I'm going to show you, and it is a loser, as I promised. And I think these are the most educational clips for you because these are just the things that you learn over time. So in this case, we had a failed high a day break here. Actually, it just tapped the high a day. I don't think it actually broke high a day here. And then we had a nice flush. We come a little bit lower. And at this point, we're really not near the high a day. And I really shouldn't be scalping this unless we're back up above around $7. So in this case, I was looking for a breakout of this 685 level. And I had seen a lot of strength over here on the time and sales. So let's see what I do here. I've got my tongue out. You know, we're feeling good. We're licking our chops, getting ready to buy right there. Look at all that green that just came in. So I bought there. Immediately, the bid just dropped. I think I got out at 681. So that was a 4-cent loss. And it just wasn't the right place to buy, right? Because we're not in a strong uptrend at the moment. We don't have that momentum behind us. And so the buyers aren't stepping up as strong. And as you can see, the bid just dropped out on me. And now in these scenarios, the losses become much greater than your wins. So I hope you guys found this video educational. I will be doing more like it in the future. So if you have questions, please drop them in the comments below and I will try to address them in the next video. If you're not already part of our Discord, definitely check that out. We're a great momentum trading community, so there's people calling out stocks like this one in the Discord all the time. We also have our own momentum scanner at diptraders.net. It's really easy to use. You don't even have to create an account to use it, so definitely check that out. That's diptraders.net. And as always, guys, if you like and subscribe, it's always appreciated. So take it easy, and we'll see you in the next video.